Okay, our next external factors is the water, and we can say water is directly proportional to the rate of photosynthesis. That means we can say if water is increased, then the photosynthesis will be increased also, because as you see, water is the direct reactant of photosynthesis. So we know, for the we know the principle of reaction is, if reactant increased, then the product will be increased. So as the water is the reactant, so if water is increased, then the product, that means glucose, will also be increased. And another thing, from water we can get hydrogen ion. Okay, and hydrogen ion helps in the reduction of carbon dioxide. A reduction, that means not lower, it means reduction, the the oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay, this is a chemical reaction. So actually photosynthesis process is occurred by the reduction process of carbon dioxide. Okay, and the hydrogen ion helps in reduction of carbon dioxide. And scarcity of water, that means if water percentage is if it is lower, then the guard cell of stomata become flaccid, and then entry of carbon dioxide will be disrupted and photosynthesis decreases. So let's see here. This is the structure of stomata, and in the red marked, this is the stomata, and the outside of red mark, the black marked cell, is the guard cell. Stomata is guarded or covered by two guard cells. Okay, so usually when more water enters into the guard cell, then the guard cell become turgid, and then the stomata will be opened. This is the normal rules of opening of stomata. And when the lower amount of water in the guard cell, it results the shrinkage of guard cell, and ultimately the stomata is remain closed. So here, if there is a scarcity of water, then guard cell of stomata become flaccid. So if there very low amount of water here, then stomata will be closed. And if stomata is closed, then we know the carbon dioxide enters into the through the stomata to the mesophyll tissue, and ultimately to the chloroplast. So here, if stomata is being closed, then entry of carbon dioxide will be disrupted, and ultimately the photosynthesis will be decreased. And if excessive scarcity of water occurs, then it results into the inactivation of enzymes, because we know enzymes normally produced in a inactive form, then it should be activated by different means, and water plays the vital role to activate the enzymes. And if excessive scarcity of water occurs in the in the plant tissue, then inactivations of different enzymes occurs, and ultimately without enzymes no photosynthesis will be taken place, because we know enzymes are also required for production of chlorophyll. So if there is no enzyme, that means enzymes are inactivated, then automatically shutdown of photosynthesis occurs.